We're feeding the birds right now. Tit tit. A batch of bread that I tried to break into pieces so the birds can eat. Now they're a bit away because they feel that someone is coming. Just have to put it here. Tit tit. Tit tit, come. Tiny garden at home where the birds are here usually around 3 o'clock to 4 or nearly 5. So I'm feeding them right now. Breeze. Okay, so this is an extra baguette bread. Extra baguette that I need to cut into pieces so I can feed the birds. This is the third batch. To cut it into small pieces so at least they can get they can get their pieces and they can have their shares of the bread. So I'm just in the garden right now. And I'm happy to feed them actually. Like looking at them right now, eating the bread. It's my therapy actually. It feels good actually feeding birds. Just sit down in the garden and then feed them.